If you're using the BookCleaningJobs CRM, you might be interested to know that you could use the CRM out in the field as well by installing the Lead Connector app on your phone. If you don't have the Lead Connector app already, I would go to the App Store on Android or Apple and download Lead Connector. Once you have the app on your phone, you can log into your CRM account using the same credentials that you use on our desktop version of the CRM. So download the app, log into it. And when you first log into the app, you're probably going to see all of your recent notifications. So if you've been receiving leads or reviews or anything like that, then you'll see all of those listed here. Along the bottom here, you'll notice that you have a conversations tab where you can scroll through your recent conversations. And if you want to send a text message or an email to somebody, you can just click on their contact, load the conversation, and then compose either an email or an SMS to that person. You can also click the button up here at the top to call them. You can take payments on the mobile app, which is really useful. So if you're out in the field and you want to just take payments with your phone, you can pull the app up, key in the amount that the customer owes you, or you can go through your catalog of different items if you've added all of your pricing into here, and you can just pull up an item like a 3-room special or a whole home cleaning special or whatever you want to do. You can take payments from your customers. That's a great feature. You can also look through your transaction history if you need to see payments that you've received. That's really useful. There's a calendar function in here. You can schedule your appointments using the BookCleaningJobs CRM, obviously. And if you want to see your appointments while you're out in the field, you can use the calendar on here. You can add appointments. You can modify appointments. This is really, really useful. You can also add your employees in here as users so that they can log in on Lead Connector and see their appointment schedule. If you want to create an appointment, you can hit the plus button right here, and you can block time if you're going to be out of town or unavailable for some reason, or you can hit the schedule appointment button and then choose one of the contacts that you'd like to schedule an appointment with. And then you can go ahead and enter all the information that you need about the appointment, including their address. You can scroll through all of the contacts that you have. You'll see all of their information here. You can call them. You can update their information, whatever you need to do. You could send them review requests. That's really useful as well. But all of your contacts are stored right here in the CRM as well as in the Lead Connector app, so you can reach them anytime. The menu on the left here, if you click this hamburger menu in the upper left, this is really useful because there's a whole bunch of other tools in this app. Right? I just showed you a lot of the basics that you're going to need while you're out in the field in terms of making calls, sending text messages, booking an appointment, or taking payment. All of that stuff's available right there, but you also have a ton of more advanced features that are available in the app too. So if you want to schedule social media posts while you're out in the field, you have a social planner available in here. You can actually create and schedule social posts right from the app. You don't have to do that from the desktop. You also have media storage. So if you want to upload photos or videos from the field, you can store all of that right here inside of the media storage folder. And then that will become available if you want to use that in a future marketing campaign, email, SMS, upload it to a website or a funnel. You can upload all your photos and videos right there. You also have your opportunity pipeline. This one's really important. I want to call this out specifically because one of the biggest issues that I see cleaning business owners running into is they get leads. Maybe they start marketing on Google or Facebook and they're getting leads, but they're not following up with those leads in an effective way. And so they're leaving a ton of money on the table just because they have a poor system for following up. This opportunities tab gives you an easy to use system to help improve your follow-up. So every new lead that you get will get dropped into the new leads column right here. And there's additional columns over to the right for contacted. Once you've contacted that person, you should move their lead to the contacted column, and that will help you stay organized so you know who you've contacted back in terms of all your new leads here. You don't want them all in the new leads column. You want to move them over to contacted immediately after you contacted them. And again, speed to lead is critical in the home services industry and the cleaning industry, especially. If you're not contacting leads within 5 minutes of getting the lead, then you're probably going to miss out on a lot of opportunities, a lot of jobs, a lot of revenue. So track your leads in here, move them to contacted once you've contacted them for the first time. And don't stop there. After you've contacted somebody, if you didn't book the job right away, follow up with them. There's an additional field in here, an additional column where you can move leads to followed up. And that will encourage you to not only contact people once, but to follow up with them a second time. If they book an appointment, you can move your leads to appointment booked. And this can actually help fire some automations inside of your CRM. So if you have an automation to send out appointment reminders or any instructions for people on how to prepare their home before you get there for cleaning, you could fire all of that stuff automatically after you do the appointment. After you move them to appointment booked, you could move your leads to appointment completed after the job is done. And then maybe you'd want to fire an automation to request a review or to send, a thank you, a message, or to request a referral or something like that, or just to schedule reminders for the next 3, 6, 9, 12 months so that you can try to win people back again. opportunities tab is an awesome feature inside of the CRM. And I really recommend that everybody use it. You have invoices. Again, I think I mentioned payments earlier, but you do have invoices in here if you want to send and look at your invoices. That's available. You also have tasks. You probably won't use tasks a lot, but you have the option in here to do it. So if you want to schedule a reminder for yourself to do a certain task, like maybe you need to take inventory of your supplies, or maybe you need to take the van in to get the oil changed every 3 months, or maybe you need to get a piece of equipment inspected or repaired every 3 months or something, whatever you'd want to track inside of your tasks, you could use that if you want to. Reputation is probably more important. I think a lot of you will use the reputation features inside of this app. So you can obviously track your reputation. You can see how many reviews you've gotten. You can respond to reviews in here. You can also send review requests. So if you want to request an email from somebody via SMS or via email, you can send a request to your contacts in here really simply. It's a great way to get reviews for your cleaning business. There's also documents and contracts, estimates. Those are more advanced features. You might want to use those estimates, especially if you're doing commercial work, and maybe you'd use documents and contracts as well if you're going to have contracts in place with some of the companies that you work with. Those are a lot of the features that I think you should know about. You could obviously reset your password if you're in here as well. So I just want to make you aware of that. And you could log in and out of the app if you want to, or if you get logged out, then you can log back into it, and that's where to do it. So at a high level, those are the features that I think you should be using inside of the app. The other one is probably just this phone dialer right here. You can make phone calls from directly within the Lead Connector app. If you have a phone number registered, either a toll-free number or a local number, all of those calls will get routed through that number. You can turn on call recording, and then every single call that you make and receive will get recorded, which is really useful if you're trying to figure out what your call booking rates are, or if there's something you could improve in your call scripting, especially if somebody else answering your phones for you. You might want to hear how those conversations are going, or be able to pull them back up in the future to hear what a customer said or something like that. This can actually be a really big problem solver for you. I highly recommend that you start recording all of your calls. So go register a phone number, go through the A2P verification process and all that stuff. It's pretty simple if you have your business registered, or if you have an EIN for your cleaning business. Pretty simple to get A2P verified and be able to do text messaging and phone calls through this app. And like I said, then you can record your calls. And I think that's a really useful feature for cleaning businesses. If you have questions about the app, leave them in the comments. If this was helpful, hit like. If you want to grow your cleaning business, hit subscribe. And if you don't have our CRM yet, go to BookCleaningJobs.com/CRM. You can sign up for a 14-day free trial. Start using the CRM in your business and start getting organized. If you don't have any systems in your business, put the CRM in place. I really think this is going to help you out. I'm Ruben with Book Cleaning Jobs. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. I'll talk to you later.